Good morning. I'm Sunil Singh, and our problem statement is that the students are not enrolling in the government degree colleges. It's not because of poor infrastructure or not facility of the teachers. It's because the students are not aware that there are great colleges or government colleges that can provide them right information and education. 60% of the students have been thinking that they have chosen wrong colleges or wrong courses because they are not aware. Because of that, there have been major decrease in the dropout rates. It's approximately 20%, which was previously 13.1%. Lakhs of government college seats are vacant due to that. Parents spending their life savings and not teaching them in government colleges. Rather than that, they're sending them to private colleges, which are not providing them right information and job security. Rural and economic disadvantaged students are the worst affected because of it.
A proposed solution: a personalized mobile and web-based application serving as a one-stop career and education advisor for students after class 10 and 12. The platform guides students in choosing the right subject streams, selecting suitable degree courses in local government colleges, and understanding the long-term career outcomes, jobs, exams, skills associated with their choices. It directly takes the critical awareness gap, which is the root cause of low enrollment, rather than focusing on infrastructure. It makes government colleges more visible and accessible by providing a comprehensive, location-based directory, visual career flowchart maps, AI-powered course recommendation on basis of quiz and traits.
In the methodology part, first the user will create his profile. After that, he can give our aptitude test, and the aptitude test result will show what course he shall choose, and that result will be AI driven. After that, he will be given a flowchart. In that flowchart, he can access all the courses, all the government jobs, and all the higher education accessible to him after he complete the certain education. And he can also choose to see the entire directory of all the local colleges, local government colleges, located in his state, and he can also see them on a map view so that he can easily locate them. And then we do also have timeline feature. Basically, timeline feature is a wrapper where all the government colleges can post the notifications. Maybe it is their scholarship notification or some sort of deadline. All of them they can post. And then comes our resources. In resources, we will provide all sort of study materials that a student will need. Then we do have also an admin panel and a profile. In admin panel, the controller can choose to edit any of the content, and he can choose to edit any of the content that is available on our site. He or she with a little knowledge of technical thing can implement this admin panel. So now I will tell you what is the technical approach of our app. So our app is basically named Guidely, and it is an app that is built on a modern Jamstack architecture. It's built on a modern Jamstack architecture with a serverless backend model. This means our frontend and backend are decoupled, focusing on performance, scalability, and developer efficiency. Let's start with frontend. Our frontend is a SAP single-page application, and it uses React.js and TypeScript, providing a component-based type-safe environment, and it handles our our building. For UI, we use SiteCN, and for styling, we use Tailwind CSS. And in our backend part, our backend is primarily a backend as a service supplemented by custom serverless function. This means we don't run any traditional always-on servers. We use Superbas as our core bus provider. This gives us a managed PostgreSQL database, built-in authentication for user, storage, automatically API generation for any custom server-side logic that Superbase doesn't cover natively. We use a small Express.js application. Crucially, this Express app is deployed as a Netlify serverless function. This means our backend code only runs on demand when an API endpoint is hit, scaling automatically from zero to high traffic. Finally, for our deployment, our entire application is deployed on Netlify, leveraging its global CDN for fast front-end access. delivery, and its serverless function for our custom backend logic. This setup ensures a high-performance, secure, scalable, and a developer-friendly environment for our Flatly app.
Feasibility and viability. Analysis of the feasibility of the idea. Technical feasibility. The proposed technology stack consists of mature, widely supported, and scalable technologies. Operational feasibility. The implementation strategy relies on collaboration with government education departments, which is achievable. A pilot launch in select districts allow for iterative feedback and refinement. Economic feasibility. Development and maintenance costs are relatively low compared to physical infrastructure projects. The platform can be scaled statewide or nationally at a marginal incremental cost.
Now, I will tell you how we will implement our app. At first, we do the pilot testing, where we choose some districts of our own and do the pilot testing. Second, we thought about partnering with the development. Now I will tell you how we will do the implementation of our app. At first, we will do the pilot testing, where we choose some districts of our own state and tell the colleges of there to use our app. Second, we will also do the partnership with the colleges and schools. Then we also start the training programs. We also partnership with the NGOs to help us to know the people and spread awareness. We also thought about marketing campaigns in rural and semi-urban areas. Continuous monitoring and analytics for impact measurement is also we have also tried, which will lead to increased government colleges enrollment with 40 to 60% in pilot areas itself, reduce student dropouts after 10th and 12th, informed decision making by students and their parents for better life of their students, and economic growth, optimal utilization of government educational infrastructure.